Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am preparing the Goda Masala chicken from Maharashtra. It's really a very flavorful masala. It's also known as Kala Masala because it's black in color. The spices are really dry roasted and ground and it's really flavorful. Here I received some from a friend of mine from Kolhapur. So this is really traditional masala. You do get it in the stores as well, but nothing like homemade. I have got the recipe of this masala on my website. I'm going to share the link here with you all, and very soon I'll be making the video also on it. And now let's go and prepare the Goda Masala chicken. This is the Kolhapuri Goda Masala, also known as Kala Masala because of its color. It's available easily in the stores, but homemade is always the best. You can check it out on my website. I've given the link below in the description box. Very soon I'll be posting the video as well in my upcoming homemade masala series. To make the green paste, we have taken about 1.5 to 2 cups of fresh coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon of garlic crushed, 1 small piece of ginger grated, 4 green chillies, you can add more if you like it spicier, and 4 to 5 tablespoons of grated coconut. Grind all these together. To make the brown paste, we have 3 large onions sliced. Oil, we'll be using about 3 to 4 tablespoons. And here we have dry whole spices. Roasted poppy seeds, 1 tablespoon. Few cloves, small pieces of cinnamon, 2-3 pieces. 2 bay leaves, 1 black cardamom, and 7 or 8 green cardamoms. We are going to fry all these together and grind them to a paste. Now for the marination, we require for 1 kilo of chicken, 2 to 3 tablespoons of yogurt, juice from 1 lime, about 2 tablespoons, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic paste, salt to taste, half teaspoon of red chilli powder, half teaspoon of Garam Masala powder. Put the chicken pieces in a larger bowl so that it's easy to marinate. Add all the ingredients and the spice powders, salt, chili powder. Mix everything well so that all the pieces are coated evenly. Cover it with a cling film and set it aside for marination at least for 1 hour. Now let's proceed to make the brown onion paste. Place a pan on the gas. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, dip in the whole spices. Saute them a bit until they give out a nice aroma. Now add the onion slices. We have to fry them until they are golden brown in color. Now after few minutes of stirring, you will see that the onion has become nice and brown. At this stage, add the poppy seeds. Give it a good stir. Now the onion can be cooled and ground to make the onion paste. Switch off the gas. Now we have ground the onion, adding little water. It has all the flavors of the whole spices that we added. We also have the green paste ready. So now let's proceed to make the chicken. In the same pan, heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Dip in the marinated chicken pieces. Saute them. After a few minutes, you will see that the liquids from the marination have all dried up. Keep stirring till the oil separates. Now add the green masala paste. Continue to stir. After about couple of minutes, you will see the color has changed. The green masala is cooked very well. Now you can add the brown onion paste. Continue to stir. You require a lot of patience, but the end result, you will be really happy with the taste. After sauteing for 5 minutes, you can see the water is dried up and all the masala is soaked into the chicken pieces. Add little water to the mixie to remove the masala stuck to it and pour it into the pan. Keep stirring carefully so that you don't break the chicken pieces. Now we will add the Goda Masala powder. I am adding just 2 teaspoons because this is very fresh masala and it's quite strong. Stir to mix it. And now we are going to add little more water to make the gravy. I am adding about 1 cup as I need a thicker gravy. If you are serving it with rice, you can add 2 cups. As you like it. It tastes good either way with the rice as well as bhakris and rotis. Now check for the salt. I think little more salt has to be added. I'm adding about 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now give it a stir. Reduce the flame and cover it with a lid to simmer. If you want to pressure cook it, just 2 whistles will do. After about 8 or 10 minutes of simmering, the chicken is done. It's cooked very well, perfectly done. And the gravy is also the right consistency. There's a lovely aroma coming from the chicken. The masala is really flavorful. You'll enjoy it. Now close the gas. Delicious Goda Masala chicken is ready to be served.